Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Gabby and I'm so glad that you're joining me today. And in today's video, I wanted to do like a very full glam 0 to 100 makeup tutorial. Probably going to be something along those lines that it's going to be called. I'm not sure yet, but it's very 0 to 100. Very like, you know, bare face to very full glam, very, highlighted, very bronzed. I even did a half cut crease type of eye look, which is the first for me. I have never done one of these before, so I definitely love how it turned out. Definitely want to perfect how I do these in the future because it did take me a little bit to get, how I wanted it to look and all that good stuff, but you'll see how I do it in the video. And also I picked up the Morphe. This is the 25B palette, and I wanted to play with it today. So I'll show you what it looks like really quickly. This is what it looks like really quickly. It's very, it's called the Bronze Mocha palette. So, very dark browns, very warm, but you also have some very cool tones in here as well. So yeah, I definitely wanted to play with that today. I also picked up a couple other things that I will mention in the video, just some things for the face and lip products that I got that were new. But basically, this video is just going to be me beating my face from 0 to 100. If you like me, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would definitely love to have you guys join me. Also, like this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Also, comment down below some ideas for future videos that you would like me to do. Some makeup tutorials, reviews, bring my family back, have my little brother back. You guys let me know. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then definitely keep on watching. Alright, so first I'm going to start off with my eyes. I've already primed and done my eyebrows. And I'm going to go in with the Morphe 25B palette. I'm first going to start off with my first eye done because I wanted to get it done off camera. And I'm going to go in with the first shade, which is Speechless. And I'm going to add this to my crease as my transition shade. Next, I'm going in with the shade Center, and I'm putting this in my crease as well, just a little lower than the first shade I put, just to start to define the crease area. Next, I'm going in with the shade Most, and I'm starting to apply this to my outer V area and then some towards the crease as well to start defining the outer V area and the crease. To even further define, I'm going in with the shade Double, and I'm putting this on a pencil type packer brush, and I'm going to pack this on the outer V and then blend this out with a blending brush. Next, I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape to cut the crease, and I'm going to be doing a half cut crease eye look today, so I'm going to bring it a little bit above my natural crease because I have hooded eyes, and I'm going to blend this out towards the outer V area where that brown shade is, and then we'll go in and blend all that together. To set the lid, I'm going in with the shade Waffle. It's like a creamy type of matte shade, and I'm going to be putting this down as my lid shade. And then I'm just taking a mixture of those two brown shades, Most and Double, and I'm going to be blending out where the lid stops and where the outer V starts, just to get a nice seamless blend between the two. Jumping to the face, I'm going in with my Touch in Sol No Poreblem primer, and I absolutely love this primer so far. It did a really good job of covering up pores and smoothing out the face. To cover up any redness and acne that I have going on, I'm going in with, as always, my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and then I'm just going to buff this out with a Real Techniques buffing brush. For foundation, I'm going in with the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation in the shade Warm Beige, and I'm going to be applying this all over my face, and I have been really obsessed with this foundation so far. It has really good coverage, and it has a long wear, and it's comfortable on the face. For concealer, I'm going in with my NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade Custard, and I've been really loving this concealer as well because it just makes the under eyes look really smooth, and I love the color because it does a good job of brightening the under eye. To set my under eyes and the rest of my face, I'm going in with my Coverfx Perfect Setting Powder, and I'm going to be using a sponge to bake under my eyes and then a powder brush just to lightly dust the powder over the rest of my face to set my foundation. For bronzer, I'm going in with my NYX Matte Bronzer. I believe this is in the shade Deep, and I'm going to be using this to bronze my face today. And I'm going to be putting this obviously on my cheekbones and my forehead. And then just to clean up where I bronze, I'm going back in with some of that powder just to clean up under the bronzed area. For blush, I'm taking this Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Party, and I'm going to be putting that on my cheeks. For my first highlighter that I'm going in with the Dose of Colors X Desi X Katy highlighter in the shade Mirame, and then I'm going to be going in with this on my cheekbones and my nose and my Cupid's bow. And just because I was going for a 0 to 100 glam look, I went in with the second highlighter. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold. And then to set all that powder into place, I'm going in with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Moving back to the eyes, I'm going in with the same shades I put in my crease, which were the Speechless and the Center shade, and I'm buffing those under my lower lash line. Then I'm just taking those two brown shades I used as well, Most and Double, and I'm working those onto my lower lash line as well, but keeping them defined to the outer lash part. For inner corner highlight and brow bone highlight, I'm going in with the shimmer shade Character, and I'm placing that on my inner corners and on my brow bone. For mascara, I'm going in with my Benefit Roller Lash, and I'm just applying this to the tops and bottom lashes before I go in with some false lashes. For lashes, I'm going to be going in with the LuxyLashes in the style Homegirl. I love these lashes so much. For lips, I'm taking the Patrick Starr collaboration lipstick with MAC Cosmetics. This is the MamaStarr Satin Lipstick. I love this shade. It is super pretty, and I'm going to be applying that to my lips. And then for an extra pop, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Lip Gloss in the shade Fenty Glow, I believe, and I'm applying that over top of the lipstick. And that completes this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this full glam 0 to 100 makeup transformation. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!